To the west was built a stone path that led to Ye Shamrock Garden. Though that sounds like a garden inspired by Irish botanicals, and it may have been once filled with three-leafed clovers, it seems that the name may have been in reference to the fact that the rocks used in its landscaping are not real, but were designed to look very realistic. So the rocks are a sham. On a cliff opposite, a ravine and a bridge was built, and an authentic Japanese tea house. It was featured in the promotional film for George Harrison's 1976 version of Cole Porter's 1950s hit song, True Love.